going on, my peoples? Welcome back to the channel. Hey man, so yeah, definitely been out of tune lately, man. Had a lot of family, personal issues going on, but your boy's back. Your boy back, you did. And we back with some more action. I'm sorry y'all, I keep looking at Betty White, you know what I mean? And she be looking so good just sitting over here in this corner. However, the reason why I'm tapping in today is because we got a lot of action when it comes down to Bougie Boo. Yeah, today is the day we actually get Bougie Boo back. So I'm gonna be bringing it back to the house. And on top of that, we're gonna be dropping this one back off to the paint shop. Yeah, back to the paint shop, man. So, made a careless mistake on the Camaro, and I gotta get it resprayed on one of the sides. I'm gonna show y'all that in a little bit, but before we get started, you know what you gotta do for your boy. You gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel, definitely smash that notification bell, that way you can stay alert to all of the drops you did. Let me go and give y'all this little story, man, real quick. So basically, man, the reason why I gotta take the I'm about to say Monte Carlo, I don't know why, but the reason why I gotta take the Camaro back to the paint shop is because I made a little snafu trying to help out another brand. So basically, a friend of mine needed a jump start on a car that had been sitting in a driveway for quite some time. Yeah, this ain't working. So it had been sitting in a driveway for quite some time. So basically, the driveway is kind of like weird. The car is sitting in a garage. The garage doors are kind of like staggered, and then there's this other car that they couldn't move. So I'm having to squeeze in between, or maneuver in between the house and this stagnant car that they got in their driveway. And man, I caught the house at the corner, trying to squeeze in and help another person out. And then when I caught it, it peeled some of the paint off. Now, good thing is, it didn't crack the bumper or anything like that, which I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. But yeah, it didn't crack any of the bumper or anything like that. And B was like, it's not gonna take too much of nothing to respray it, this corner, which is on the passenger side. So yeah, man, so we're gonna go and get it back to the paint shop and get that repaired. That way everything could be A100 with all the cars, and I ain't gonna have no issues with the paint, you did. So that's that part, man. I'm excited right now to go get the Malibu, and yeah, man, we're gonna keep this thing rolling, man. So I'm racing back to the house right now to go get the truck. I gotta get the truck, go to the U-Haul, grab the trailer, come back, put the Camaro on the trailer, and then run back on that side of town, run back to B, and drop it off, and we're gonna pick it up, man. We're gonna get that footage you did. So stay tuned, man. I appreciate y'all, you know what I mean? You did. And damn thing looks so good. It surely is pretty. It looks good. It look good, B. Yeah. It definitely looks good. So, Camaro. Let me show y'all where I messed up. Right there. Take it clean off, so we gotta get that repaired. And then we should be Gucci. Make sure. Brandon, I gave you the key, right?
Thing on it too?
Huh?
Where you get the wheels from?
Nah, so them just borrowed. What you think? What you think? You like it?
It looks good. It looks good. It looks good. He did a really good job. Wow.
I had to get your reaction of it. It looked totally different, don't it?
Yeah, it looks totally different. Totally different.
Put the racing seats in.
Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah.
Put the new hood.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good.
So that's it. It's gonna go back. And that's now, still got to tinker with the motor and all that good stuff.
Okay. Okay.
And so, but this was my biggest project.
This is the last one, right?
I got one more left in me, but I don't think I'm
You want a Corvette?
Nah, I'm not gonna make a Corvette a project.
Okay.
But I want to get a Nova.
A Nova?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want a 69 through like 72 Nova. But when I buy that one, it's probably gonna be done on the outside. It'll just be more motor work, and then that's the last one. I'm not doing no more projects.
Okay.
I'm not doing. All right. But yeah, I had to get your reaction. The boo, man.
I need to close my eyes.
Yeah, you can come out here and close your eyes if you can. You know what I'm saying? And then let me know your honest opinion about it all. You know what I mean? It's a lot to take in. It's like fresh ass paint.
Yes.
All right, go ahead. What you think? So I don't know if I'm gonna stick with these lights yet. I don't know yet.
He sprayed this? Or
Yep.
something like
Yeah, he sprayed them all. Yep, he painted them all.
that. Can I sit in my seat?
Yeah. Now this one, I don't know if it got all the bolts in this one yet.
Seat don't move when I sit down.
No, it shouldn't. It's bolts in it. Do it feel like you're too high up or anything? Yeah, that's what I told B. I said nah, cause he really ain't have to like makeshift no bracket. We took a L bracket and he welded them together and called it a day.
I like the lights.
I do too. You can up that hood, up that thing. Yeah, I like that day black.
Don't have the black around. I mean, not the Camaro. The Carlo don't have the black around lights.
Like a totally different car, don't it?
It looks really, really good. You happy?
Man, am I? Am I? This was my biggest project yet.
Huh?
This is my biggest project yet. Like that look, you know what I mean? The way it did. That hood huge, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is a 4-inch.
Jeez.
And then that's a 2-inch. This might be a 6. No, because I was gonna get the 6-inch, but I don't think the hood. Yeah, 4-inch. I was gonna get a 6-inch, but the hood wouldn't have been able to open. You wouldn't have been able to just lift it. It wouldn't have cleared. So I don't know about these though. I don't know about keeping these or doing all black or just doing all I was just testing them out, or doing all clear.
Oh, you talking about this?
Yeah, this.
Oh, that piece. Oh.
So I gotta figure that part out. But yeah. So it's back. You know what I mean? Y'all see it, man, and I'm happy. I'm pleased with it. I can't wait to start tearing it back down, because guess what? Oh, y'all thought we was just gonna keep it simple with the motor. Oh, we not. So it's definitely the motor gonna come back out. And what else I gotta do? I'm gonna do the wheel situation. Gotta do the suspension situation. All interior situation. You know what I mean? You know we're gonna run back one of them digital dashes. You gotta get the new carpet, the headliner. You know, this, that, and the third. So more to come on the Malibu, man. We back in action, you did. So stay tuned.